Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DIAOPROTECT outdoor windproof walk, cycling and hunting and climbing sport gloves. And the additional super smart thing is it is compatible with smartphone touchscreen. That special gloves are for gardening, builders, mechanic, sportsmen and sportswomen, and of course for Pokemon Go. Because everyone out there who's playing some games on smartphone at the winter time and this outside in the nature and it's cold outside, have a problem. The problem is that standard gloves do not have the function that you can use your touchscreen on the smartphone, for example. But these gloves, they can handle this. Easily. It will make gloves and smartphone dreams happen. The finger part sets with metallic electric touchscreen Mac and durable. This palm part with silicone cross Strigulas non-slip features and back of the hands wind and breathable parts. It is windproof and waterproof at the upper end. That you can feel, it's like a neoprene. And inside, it is so soft and smooth. And you have a zipper for another dimension of size. And it's windproof, etc. The wrist braid or wrist parts made of soft fabric, comfortable and flexible as you can see. The zipper can adjust the sides until it fits the palm of your hand. The glove has a slim style. It looks really cool if you're wearing these gloves. Nice gloves and nice gloves to be at the winter time and outdoor activities. They're looking really good. What is a glove? A glove is a garment covering the whole hand. Gloves usually have separate sheets or openings for each fingers and the thumb. You can see it works really on smart phones and tablets. Wow, I like it really much. If there is an opening but no or short covering stairs for each fingers, they are called fingerless gloves. Fingerless gloves having one large opening rather than individual openings for each fingers are sometimes called gauntlets. True gauntlets are not necessarily fingerless. Gloves which covers the entire hand or fist, but do not have separate fingers, opening or sheets are called mittens. Mittens are warmer than other styles of gloves, but they're not compatible to smartphones. Mittens? No, these are no mittens. These are standard hybrid gloves, and mitten contains open-ended shades for the four fingers, as in a fingerless gloves, but not the thumb. You can see there are different types of gloves out there, but these gloves are finger gloves, and it is good because you have to use your gloves and your fingers by your fingers and the smartphone. It will keep you warm inside the gloves, and it will keeps you on the road again with your smartphone because the finger and the thumb are able to the smartphone. The only thing you have to do is touch on the screen and use the screen, like before with your standard fingers. But this R is really awesome. It's special surface on these special fingers on the right and on the left side. These are really nice gloves. I like them really much and I'm wearing them every day if I'm hitting some Pokemon out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Or on the road in Pokemon Go, for example. You can also play other different kind of games, and of course you can chat with other guys and girls and other people outside by using your smartphone and these gloves, for example. Okay, now I'm out of here. Soon.